Traders, I've gotten this Snaphook blueprint 3 times at the same place, 3 games in a row. So I'm going to tell you where it's at. One moment. Pale Apartments, second floor, usually in a tall green locker. 3 games in a row, Electromagnetic Storm, Pale Apartments, the big yellow and white apartment. First or second floor. As soon as you go in on the right, there's a tall, wardrobe with a big locker-looking, large thing that you pull out there. And I've got it 3 times in the same place during the electromagnetic storm. And I saw a guy on YouTube telling me the Snaphook is so hard to find, and that was where it is. So confirmed. Electromagnetic storm, Pale Apartments, Snaphook blueprint, baby.